Credit card companies make $4 billion a year on rewards programs, not from people redeeming them, from people who don't understand how to maximize them. Most people leave thousands of dollars on the table every year. They use the wrong cards, they redeem points poorly, they ignore sign-up bonuses. This video breaks down the exact system to extract $2,000 plus per year in value from credit card rewards without changing your spending habits. They use one card for everything. They redeem points for statement credits at 1 cent per point when those same points are worth 2 to 3 cents for travel. They ignore category bonuses. They let points expire. They pay annual fees on cards they don't use enough to justify. Credit card rewards are a game. The rules are published. Most people just never learn to play. The people who do make thousands per year in free flights, hotel stays, and cashback. Cashback, simple, flexible, easy to understand. You earn 1% to 5% back on purchases. Redeem for statement credits or direct deposits. Best for people who want simplicity and don't travel much. Points, flexible currency that transfers to airlines and hotels. Chase Ultimate Rewards, American Express Membership Rewards, Capital One Miles. Best for people who travel and want maximum value. Airline Hotel Miles, locked to one program. Delta Miles only work on Delta. Marriott points only work at Marriott. Best for people loyal to one brand. Most people should focus on cashback or transferable points. Avoid single brand cards unless you're a frequent flyer. Sign-up bonuses are where the real money is. Example, Chase Sapphire Preferred offers 60,000 points after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. Those 60,000 points are worth $750 to $1,200, depending on how you redeem them. You were going to spend $4,000 anyway on rent, groceries, gas. Put it on the card, hit the bonus, redeem. That's $750 to $1,200 for spending money you would have spent regardless. Do this twice a year with different cards, and you've made $1,500 to $2,400 in sign-up bonuses alone. Different cards give bonus rewards in different categories. The strategy is using the right card for each purchase. Dining and travel, Chase Sapphire Preferred, 3 times points, or Capital One SavorOne, 3% cash back. Groceries, Amex Blue Cash Preferred, 6% cash back, or Capital One SavorOne, 3%. Gas, Costco Anywhere Visa, 4% cash back, or Amex Blue Cash Preferred, 3%. Everything else, Citi Double Cash, 2%, or Chase Freedom Unlimited, 1.5%. This requires carrying 3 to 4 cards. It's annoying, but it's the difference between earning $300 per year and earning $1,500 per year on the same spending. Not all points are equal. Cashback, 1 cent per point. Simple. $1,000 in points equal to $1,000. Chase Ultimate Rewards redeemed for travel through Chase Portal, 1.25 cents per point if you have Sapphire Preferred, 1.5 cents if you have Sapphire Reserve, and $1,000 to $1,500. Chase points transfer to airline partners, 1.5 to 2 plus cents per point if you book strategically. $1,000 in points equal to $1,500 to $2,000 plus. The same points are worth double or triple depending on how you redeem. Never redeem points for statement credits or merchandise. Always redeem for travel or transfer to partners. This is advanced but worth understanding. Chase Ultimate Rewards transfer 1-to-1 to airlines like United, Southwest, and Singapore Airlines. Example, a domestic flight costs $400 or 25,000 United miles. You can transfer 25,000 Chase points to United and book the flight. You just redeemed 25,000 points for $400 in value. That's 1.6 cents per point. If you'd redeemed those same points for cash back, you'd get $250. By transferring to an airline, you got $400. Same points. $150 more value. This requires research. You need to know which partners have the best redemption rates for your routes. But the value difference is massive. Some of the best rewards cards have annual fees. Chase Sapphire Preferred is $95. Amex Blue Cash Preferred is $95. Are they worth it? Do the math. Amex Blue Cash Preferred gives 6% cash back on groceries up to $6,000 per year. If you spend $6,000 on groceries, you earn $360. Minus the $1.95 fee, you net $265. A no-fee card gives 1% to 3% on groceries. At 3%, you'd earn $180. The fee card nets you $85 more per year. If you spend less than $2,000 on groceries annually, the fee isn't worth it. Know your spending before you commit to fee cards. Chase has a hidden rule. If you've opened 5 or more credit cards in the last 24 months, they'll deny you for new Chase cards. This matters because Chase has the best transferable points ecosystem. If you want Chase cards, apply for them first before you hit 5 over 24. Once you're over 5 over 24, you're locked out of Chase for 2 years. Strategy: start with Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Freedom cards. Then move to Amex, Capital One, Citi. Don't blow your 5 over 24 slots on mediocre cards. Rewards only work if you pay your balance in full every month. Credit card interest is 18% to 25% APR. If you carry a $1,000 balance and pay 20% interest, you're losing $200 per year. That wipes out any rewards you earned. The golden rule: if you can't pay off the purchase this month, don't put it on a rewards card. Rewards cards are not financing tools. They're tools to earn benefits on spending you were already doing. Treat them like debit cards you pay off weekly, tracking which card to use for what is tedious. Here's the system. Step 1. Write down your top 3 spending categories: dining, groceries, gas, travel, whatever you spend the most on. Step 2. Get one card optimized for each category. Step 3. Set reminders to use the right card. Or use an app like Max Rewards or Card Pointers that tells you which card to use at checkout. Step 4. Set all cards to autopay in full every month. You'll never miss a payment. You'll never pay interest. You'll maximize rewards on autopilot. Don't redeem points immediately. Let them accumulate. Why? Redemption values fluctuate. Sometimes flights cost 25,000 points. Sometimes they cost 15,000 points for the same route during a transfer bonus or sale. If you redeem too early, you miss better deals. Build a points balance. Wait for high-value redemptions. This requires patience, but it's the difference between getting $1,000 in value and $2,000 in value from the same points. Don't open cards just for the bonus if you won't use them. Unused cards with annual fees are a waste. Don't carry a balance to build credit. You build credit by paying on time, not by paying interest. Don't close old cards unless they have fees you can't justify. Length of credit history matters for your score. Don't apply for 5 cards in 1 month. Hard inquiries hurt your score short term and you'll get denied. Spread applications out, 1 every 2 to 3 months max. Here's how you hit $2,000 in annual value. Sign up bonuses. 2 cards per year at $750 average value equal to $1,500. Category spending: $30,000 annual spending optimized across cards at 3% average equal to $900. Subtract annual fees of $200 for 2 premium cards. Total $1,500 plus $900 to $200 equal to $200 per year. This assumes $30,000 in annual spending, which is $2,500 per month. Rent, groceries, gas, utilities, subscriptions. Most people hit this naturally. You're just using the right cards instead of the wrong ones. If you carry credit card debt, stop reading and pay it off first. Rewards mean nothing if you're paying 20% interest. If you have bad credit, you won't qualify for premium rewards cards yet. Focus on building your score first with starter cards. If you can't track multiple cards without overspending, stick to one cashback card. The complexity isn't worth it if it leads to debt. This system works for people who are disciplined with money and treat credit cards as tools, not loans. $2,000 per year in rewards doesn't sound life-changing. But invest that $2,000 annually in index funds at 8% returns, and in 20 years you have $98,000. In 30 years, $244,000. The rewards aren't just free money to spend, they're free money you can invest. This turns credit card rewards from a nice bonus into a legitimate wealth-building tool. Most people spend the rewards on stuff they don't need. Smart people invest them. Step 1. Check your current credit score. If it's above 700, you qualify for good rewards cards. Step 2. Identify your top 3 spending categories. Step 3. Apply for one card optimized for your biggest category. Chase Sapphire H preferred for dining travel. Amex Blue Cash preferred for groceries. Capital One SavorOne for a no-fee option. Step 4. Hit the sign-up bonus. Step 5. Set the card to autopay in full. Step 6. Track your rewards monthly. After 3 months, add a second card for another category. Build the system gradually. Comment which card you're applying for first or already optimized if you're already running this system. Next video, the $0 budget that actually works without making you hate your life. The system that assumes you'll mess up and still gets you to your goals. Subscribe to Cash Stack. Most people start behind. You have YouTube,